Sa inyong lahat, magandang umaga. At natutuwa ako sa naging performance, of course, ng NAIA. Palakpakan natin ang NAIA for achieving the collection target. Ang pangarap ko, magkaroon ng Bureau of Customs during my time that will have employees, our colleagues, that will be more proud of our IDs, that will be more proud of our jobs. And I draw my inspiration from that experience, that someday, somehow, the BOC will be like that. Proud of our jobs, proud for our children, and our children will be proud that my parents are working in the BOC. Pagtulong-tulungan natin. Thank you.